All right, so welcome back to White House Farm, and today we got some more great stuff from Anthony at thebetterboat.com. He sent us some instant hull cleaner, and we're gonna go ahead and try it out on the boat here because there is some definite buildup, and you could see it all through here. Oh yeah, look at that. The whole line, right where it was just sitting in the water. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this instant hull cleaner works and go from there. And here's a look at it right here. Once again, thebetterboat.com, Better Boat instant hull cleaner. And it says effortlessly and easily breaks down scum on fiberglass and painted boat holes. Removes stains and buildup from water lines, rust, gas, exhaust, and more, which is what we have right here. So we want to get that off because we're also going to have to do another video coming up, some fiberglass repair. As you can see, we got a whole hole there. We're going to have to sand this whole thing out and prep it and then fix that. But let's go ahead and get rid of that line right there. So here we go. And you want to shake the bottle prior to use rubber gloves, and use a sponge or a sprayer to apply it directly on the surface and allow it to sit for about 2 minutes and then rinse it off. So let's get into it. All right, we're going to do a section at a time, and we got our sponge here. Go ahead and open this up. And we'll go ahead and apply this on here. Actually, we'll get this whole thing here. There's a lot of buildup and everything. And as you can see all that stuff on there. Oh, that's just wiping it right away. Wow. All right. This whole thing here. Well, that's taking it right off. All right, now we'll let it sit for the 2 minutes and then we'll go ahead and wash it off. All right, so it's been 2 minutes. So we got our fresh bucket of water here. Let's go ahead and start wiping this down. All right, take our rag. Wow. that. That looks great. That works really good. All right. Got rid of that brown streak through there. And you can see it kind of comes up onto here. And you can see the line goes all the way through there. So let's go ahead and get the rest of that off of there. All right, that looks awesome. Now let's go ahead and get the end part here. Wow, look at that. Yep, got rid of the giant brown mark. Working good. Working good and looking good. All right. That looks good. And we got our scratches and stuff we got to buff out and everything, but man, that cleaned all that grime off. All that grime. Remember how brown it was up through there. All right, it's gonna be a new boat. So Anthony, once again, your products are awesome. Works really good. Instant hole cleaner. If you guys are looking to purchase it, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description. And you can also check out my other videos for thebetterboat.com. We have the leather vinyl cleaner, and we're gonna have a bunch more. We got the teak cleaner set, and we have some chrome polish. We got the epoxy. We're gonna be doing some seats and stuff like that. So stay tuned for more future videos, and check out Anthony at thebetterboat.com and get yours today. All right, guys. So once again, we guys hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.